My name is Jade. My name is Jade.
Okay, today, Jade, you are going to study about phonics 2. About vowel sounds, short A. And how about you, Jade? What are you doing?
He's going to do these writing patterns.
Okay, let's start. What's this letter?
A. A pencil. As apple.
Okay. In a one vowel word, if the vowel does not come at the end, it is usually short A. You understand?
Yes, po.
Example?
Map. Axe.
You say A.
Apple. Write A with heavenly writing. Look at the picture. Read out loud the words with the short sound of A. Circle the name for the picture.
Okay, what this picture?
Map.
Okay, this is the... Okay, next.
Cap.
Okay.
Mass. Mat. Gas. Bag.
Did you understand? This is short vowel sounds A. And here.
Mouse.
Say the name of each
Mouse.
picture. Write the letter for the missing sounds to finish each word. This is short vowel sounds A also. This is?
Mouse. Mat.
Okay, what letter you will write?
D.
Okay, this?
Axe.
What letter missing?
A. Cap.
Okay.
B. Rat.
Next.
Bag. B.
Next.
Yak. A.
Okay, next. Look at the picture and read their names. Listen for the short sounds of A. If the short sounds of A is at the beginning of the word, write A on the first line. If the short sounds of A is in the middle of the word, write A on the second line. Okay, this is?
Fan.
Where you will put?
Here, in the middle.
Okay, next.
Ant.
Where?
Beginning.
Okay.
Man. Middle.
Okay.
Bat. Middle. Pan. Middle. Ram. Middle. Axe. Beginning.
What is this?
Wax.
In the?
Middle.
Okay. Now, did you understand the short vowel sounds A?
Yes po.
How about you, Jed? Did you listen also?
Yes po. He did it very good.
What are you doing?
He writes this.
Nobody can see it.
Can I see?
Okay, see.
Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. And like this video to watch. Like this video to watch. Bye-bye, guys.